In this video we are going to open two packages from my viewer Luke Skywalker, which is also known for you as Asukash, and here we have my new convention model, even a new diorama and many more. So let's open some packages. So let's start with the package number one. Okay, so we are starting with two Trans Hobby convention cars. I never seen those in real life, so I'm really excited. I love Trans Hobby cars. Here we have the Porsche GT1 and here we have the Porsche Cayenne. And interesting thing is that I already have two of these, but in the standard edition, not in the conventional edition. So I'm really excited to see how are they looking. Next one is really exciting to me because here we have the PGM car. I never seen PGM car in real life before. It comes in a special box and our car comes in a acrylic box, but it's a very special acrylic box. But as you can see, this acrylic box is circular, not square one. Here you can see all the information about the car, and as you can see, our car has some opening features: opening back with the engine, opening doors, and of course opening hood. That looks absolutely amazing. Just look at those details. I am really surprised to see how good it is actually looking. And here we have the second one, which is in a black color with a gold details, and same as before, opening back with the engine, opening doors and opening hood. So these are actually really impressive cars. To be honest, I didn't know that he will send me these cool cars. So even though they are just for a video, I'm really thankful to Łukasz for sending me this, because I can show you guys these cars. And now let's start with the package number two. And here we have a car that is actually for me. I bought this from him. And this is the new convention model from Pop Race, which is the 997 in this beautiful purple color. Very beautiful casting. I love the 997 generation. And the last one on the list is actually not a single car, because it's a diorama from Trans Hobby, which includes three Porsches 911 GT3Rs from the DTM 2025, and same as the GT1 diorama, which I'm showing you before. It also opens like a book, in which we can see some pictures and of course our cars. There's a lot of cool cars in these packages, so I think I will split it to three videos. First one will be about the diorama, second one will be about the convention cars, and the third one will be about the PGM cars. So for today, let's see the convention cars. So let's start with a car that I will not actually be opening in this video, because this is the convention car from Pop Race, which is the Enigma Exclusive Edition Porsche RWB 997 in this beautiful purple color. I thought that this is like a chrome purple, but this is actually normal purple color with a gold and silver rims, of course rubber tires, plastic headlights, plastic taillights, great looking wing, and many more great details. But it is actually a bummer to me that it is not a chrome color, but you know, it is what it is. I am really starting to be a bit annoyed about the convention cars from Pop Race. I think they are making too many of them, but you know, it is what it is. Great addition to my collection. And now let's move to the Trans Hobby cars. So what we have here is a special edition of a Porsche 911 GT1, which I already shown you on my channel in a beautiful snowy diorama. And here we have a limited edition from the Haka Toy Car Salon 2025. So this is a car from last year, and basically this is the same car but in a different livery in this beautiful like dark green color. So as you can see, we have a beautiful dark green livery, of course the mobile logo, Porsche logos, and the logo of the Van Steiner company, I think. You can correct me in the comments. Of course, rubber tires, which are rolling really well, plastic headlights and plastic taillights, great looking exhausts. But the main feature of this car is the two opening elements. As you can see here on the front, we can see some parts of a suspension, of the cooling, and many more, and even more here. Whole cage in the car with the suspension, carbon fiber elements, of course our exhausts. Here you can see it even better. Yeah, and other than that, very beautiful car with a beautiful details. But one thing that is really annoying in this car is the front element, because as you can see, when I pop it, there's a big space in between because the magnets are not glued properly, and as you can see, the whole front is moving. So that's a bummer, especially for the price of this car. I would expect better quality control, but yeah, as you can see, the whole piece is moving. It's fighting with me to put it in a correct position, but other than that, very beautiful car. And now let's open the Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT in the Weissach package. And from my collection, two cars that were waiting a long time to be opened on a video are these two Porsche Cayenne Turbo GTs, not in a Weissach package. These are two standard releases which you can buy pretty much anywhere you buy Diecast cars. These are the standard editions, but as you can see, these are basically the same car, but this one is in the Weissach package. So here we have our three Cayennes, and as you can see, each of them is basically the same car but in a different color. So let's focus on the basic one first. As you can see, great looking wheels with rubber tires. They are rolling really well. Of course, plastic headlights and plastic taillights. Great looking exhaust with the back bumper. And this car only has one opening element, which is the hood, and as you can see, it's not really very special. There's pretty much nothing interesting over here, but you know, it's a Cayenne. It's not like a GT3 RS. It will not have a crazy engine, so I don't really care about the opening part. Of course, great looking interior, great looking mirrors, metal base with some details. It is actually looking alright, but yeah, other than that, it is basically a Cayenne in a GT edition. And here we have another basic one, this time in this like gray color, same as before, golden wheels with the golden Porsche logo, same opening hood with the same engine, same headlights, same pretty much everything. It's just a different color. And here we have our convention car, and as you can see, same wheels, same Porsche logo, same everything, and even the same engine. So it is basically different color, and to get this color you have to pay like 4 times of the price of the basic one. So I don't think it is really worth it, other than that if you are collecting a convention cars. But I must say I really like this color, especially because I love blue color, so that's a cool color. And yeah, other than that, great casting. I am really happy to see a great quality diecast car for the Cayenne, especially for this price. And that would be it for today's video. Thank you once again to Asukash for helping me to get this beautiful purple 997 RWB, because I actually don't have it, and I was able to show you guys these two cars, and I am really happy to finally be able to open these two Cayennes. So yeah, that will be it for today's video. Check out the Scalper.eu, which is the sponsor of our channel, and with my promo code Adam you can get 5% discount at the checkout. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, have a nice day, and see ya.